Wagwan guys. Yeah, so a few months back, I worked on a simple stablecoin checkout for an e-commerce application that accepted USDC on base only. The process worked, but it had some limitations. For example, the people trying to patronize the e-commerce application or storefronts, they had to use only USDC on base. They could not pay with USDC on any other chain. And also, the owner of the store, as the developer too, I can only accept USDC on base. So that created some kind of limitations and frictions for both the user experience and developer experience. So how can we make this much more seamless? So Circle introduced CCTP and Gateway to help provide multi-chain infrastructure for developers to aggregate balance on multi-chain into one single unified purse. So with this new infrastructure, I can anybody can come to this e-commerce storefront and decide to pay with USDC on any chain they have. They don't have to manually go through the bridging or whatever process. They don't have You have USDC on base, you spend it. You have USDC on Arbitrum, you spend it, right? And also for me as a developer and also the store owner, the merchant, I can also take payments from any EVM chain without worrying about setting up bridge or third party processes. So Circles, CCTP, and Gateway handles all of this for builders. So, for example, let's say someone has USDC on base and they want to make purchase on the storefront. Once they make payment on using base is the source chain, and they make payment and I want it to settle on ARC. Base is the source chain, ARC is the destination chain, right? Circus CCTP and handles the burn and mint process. The USDC on the source chain is burnt and it's minted on the destination chain I want it to be on. So I don't manually bridge that myself. CCTP handles all of that for me. And also we can have others trying to patronize the store or make payments using USDC on other chains, on different chains, and this USDC is going to be scattered across multiple chains. But thanks to Circle's Gateway, that is no longer going to happen, because Circle Gateway is going to aggregate the balance into one unified purse that I, as the storefront owner or the merchant, can use and spend on whatever chain I want at any time needed. So instead of me trying to route payments, bridge into one single chain myself before I can spend it, Gateway handles all of that for me. I'm not manually going through any third-party bridge, and my balance is unified and aggregated into one single purse and ready to spend whenever I'm ready to make use of the balance. I hope this gives more developers perspective into what's possible with tools like the CCTP, the Gateway, and the Unified Balance Kit. Thank you.